Hey, I have this really cool little gadget here that I want to share with you. This is a wireless display where you can transmit something directly from your computer, your tablet, your phone, anything like that, directly to another screen like your TV. This one here is the transmitter and this one is the receiver. So you don't have to have cords running all the way across from your computer up to your display screen. You simply plug this into the computer, this into the TV, and it will wirelessly transmit that. This is how easy it works. Here's the transmitter. I have it plugged up to a power source to the computer. I have the receiver right here plugged into a power source and to the HDMI on my TV. And this is how easy it works. This is how it is in action. You can see my computer right here is now being mirrored up to the TV screen right there. So if I have to do a presentation at work, I could easily direct it right from my computer and go right through each one of these. So it's really that simple. It's just plug it in and it works. I want you to be able to see that this can also do video. So here is my YouTube page, The Budget Wise Dad. All right, here's one that I recently did for these waterproof waders. Let's expand it to full screen. Whatever you can play here on this screen, you can play up there on that screen. So if you were streaming something on your computer, you can transfer it to your TV. If you wanted to show a cartoon or something like that for the kids, you could easily do that as well. This transmitter and receiver works extremely easy, extremely well. So there you have it. I've checked out a lot of different products and I've done even some of these transmitters and receivers before that I thought was a little bit difficult to use. This one truly is super easy. You just plug it in, put it to a power source, do the same thing at the TV, and it works. It's that simple.